everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the alopecia ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about our wigs from the perspective of someone who deals with hair loss and has worn wigs for most of my life. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you our 3 new releases from the Alexander Couture Collection that just came out. Now, if you're not familiar with this collection, it's the collection that was designed by one of our social media family on here, Alexander Turnbull, who's also an award-winning hairstylist. So all of these styles in this collection are absolutely fabulous, including these 3 brand new styles that I'm going to show you in this video. In this video, I'm also going to show you a couple of my favorite ways to style these new wigs to hopefully give you some ideas if you do pick these wigs up for yourself. The first new wig from the Alexander Couture Collection that I'm going to show you in this video is the one I'm wearing right now, which is called Harper in the color Dark Chocolate. First of all, this color is one of my favorite brunette colors in general, just because it's such a beautiful, silky brunette. And it's a really great option if you don't want highlights in your wigs. But there's also so many beautiful brunette colors with gorgeous highlights as well. And if you want to check out all of the available colors, definitely visit our website, reneofparis.com, to see all of the different colors that each of our wigs come in. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has a lace front and lace part with the part in the middle. So it has that really realistic looking hairline, as you can see here. And with the part in the middle, you still do have a little bit of flexibility to move it slightly to one side or the other, and still have that really realistic looking hairline. This wig has a really nice density to it, not too thin, not too voluminous, just a really nice happy medium. With the way I have it parted right now, the hair is slightly falling to the side, almost like a side bang, which is the look that I really enjoy for my wigs. But because it has that lace front, you also have the ability to pull it back and still have that really realistic looking hairline, which is really nice for some styling options. You can also change the part to be more of an exact middle part if you like that look. That's very in style right now. If you wanted to pull the hair out of your face, you can definitely comb it back and still have that natural looking hairline because of the lace front, which allows you to do pulled back looks with a headband, with a ponytail, and still have that really natural looking hairline. Whenever I have a medium to longer length wig like this one, I always like to show how it looks in a ponytail, so you have that option as well. If you need tips on how to put your wig into a ponytail, we have a video all about that you can check out on our channel. Putting it in a ponytail is also a really nice way to see the density of the wig, so it's kind of like a nice medium density, like this. You can either pull it straight back and have a neat ponytail with it all pulled back, or you can do what I like to do when I wear ponytails and just pull some of the pieces forward. If I have a clip, sometimes I would kind of even clip up the ponytail so you can have a nice pulled back look. Another style that I really like on this wig is a half ponytail. So I just take one of the top layers of hair and just pull it up into a smaller ponytail on top of the under layer. Whenever you're putting your hair into any sort of ponytail, just make sure that you don't feel any of the netting exposed. And that could be as easy as just feeling it with your fingers. I really like the kind of casual look that a half ponytail gives any wig, and I think it just looks really great on this style as well. The next new wig from the Alexander Couture Collection is called Amara, and this is the new color Smoke Ivory. It's this beautiful, rooted, silvery color. This style is a really cute pixie with a side swept bang that you can either keep off to the side like this, or you can kind of play around with the parting and kind of brush it whichever direction you prefer. This is a really great, easy, effortless style. You barely would need to brush this out or anything, and it just looks so cute and adorable. It has a really nice, durable, machine-made cap, and here's what it looks like all the way around. Styles like this are really fun to accessorize with necklaces and dangly earrings because they really kind of get more of the spotlight with the hair pulled back out of your face. Putting all sorts of fun hair clips and berets would also look really nice in this kind of style as well, and it's a nice way to kind of mix things up a bit. Whenever you're putting hair clips in your wigs, you can just use any normal hair clips that you would use for regular human hair. You don't have to use anything special for your wigs. And because I have it on hand, I will show what it looks like with this really cute sparkly headband as well, because headbands are a really fantastic and easy way to accessorize with any wig. And I think it just looks so adorable on this pixie cut. Here is the third and final new release from the Alexander Couture Collection this year, and this is the wig style Avalon in the color Spring Honey-R, which means that it is rooted. This wig has a machine-made cap with a lace front. It's a really nice, curly, wavy, medium density wig with a really nice volume to it. The lace front on this wig gives it that really realistic looking hairline, so you have the ability to pull it back and kind of change the direction of the bangs as well. So if you want them parted to the other side, you can do that, or if you want them more in the middle, you can do that as well. And here's what this wig looks like all the way around. This wig has a bit of layering going on, so if you want to, you can pull these front layers forward and pull the rest of it into a ponytail and still have those face framing layers in the front. With a curly wig like this one, even just putting it into a simple ponytail really still kind of has a nice, casual, but still glamorous look to it. With a style like this, a headband can be really functional as well as fashionable. It looks cute if you just put it on top of the bangs just as an accessory, but if you want to pull the bangs out of your face on a certain day, you can also use the headband to pull it back out of your face and still have the really cute accessory as well. Because of the lace front on this wig, you can really play a lot with pulled back styles because the hairline will still look very realistic even if exposed. So those are all of the brand new Alexander Couture Collection wigs that just came out this year. Definitely comment below which of these 3 wigs that I showed in this video was your favorite. Do you think you're going to pick any of these up for yourself? All 3 of these wigs are available in multiple gorgeous colors, from blondes to brunettes to reds and silvers. And if you want to see all of the different colors that are available in each wig, check out our website, reneofparis.com, go to the Alexander Couture Collection section, and you can check out the catalog on there, which will list all of the available colors, as well as any other specs that you want to see about these wigs. If you get any of these wigs for yourself and you post pictures on Instagram, definitely tag us at René of Paris. We would love to see all of your beautiful faces in these new wigs. I hope this video was helpful to you if you're interested in checking out any of these wigs. Definitely subscribe to our channel to see all of our latest updates on new wig releases, as well as different tips and tricks that we offer on a weekly basis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.